I'd like to welcome you to this truly special property here at 20602 Coventry Circle in Woodside Ranch in the southeast part of Bend. Sitting on 2.5 acres, it consists of 2 homes totaling about 3,700 square feet, and it truly has a lot to offer. Let's go inside and explore some of its finer details. I'm standing in the foyer of the main home, which is about 2,750 square feet and has 4 beds and 3.5 baths. To the left, we've got the dining and kitchen areas, which show some of the updates that the owner has made. And to the right, we've got this beautiful family room with a tall stone fireplace, tongue and groove wood ceilings, lots of lit windows to let in the light. And to the back of the house, we've got the primary suite, which we'll get to in just a moment. So this kitchen and dining area offers ample space for some casual dining over here to the right, as well as a more formal dining space. It features great light and has access to the deck in a few different directions. And right here we've got these concrete counters from Cement Elegance and some upgraded stainless steel appliances, which so nicely gives the kitchen a little bit of a more modern feel, but keeps with the character and charm of the house. This owner suite is so nicely situated in the back of the home and is perched above the yard and overlooks the acreage below. Upstairs in the main home, we find 3 additional bedrooms, a full bath with double vanities, and a loft space, which could be perfect for an office or a reading nook. I'm now entering the 952 square foot single level guest house, which adds unlimited flexibility and is perfect for today's buyer. It features an additional living space, a full kitchen, a nice sized bedroom and a full bath, as well as an attached garage and an outdoor deck. Although this home so nicely brings in the outdoors from almost every room, it's when you get outside that you truly appreciate the peace, serenity, and privacy that you get in this forested sanctuary. This truly is an amazing property and we're excited to share it with you. Come take a look for yourself.